Hello friends, today I'm going to be explaining about stratigraphy and geological time scale. Okay, stratigraphy means strata means layer and the study of strata means stratigraphy. It is also called as historical geology. It is a branch of geology which deals with the history of rock of the earth crust with special emphasis on their approximately time of formation and change they have undergone since their formation. Stratigraphy is nothing but study of the strata. Strata means we know that earth is made up of different layers like crust, mantle and core, which consist different rock which is also deposited in the form of layer, but each layer deposited every different time, not on the same time. So each layer has a different age and each layer has a different age. So study of this layer, which type of rock is present and their age, on the basis of we can conclude the history of the geology. So strata means layer and the study of the strata means stratigraphy. I will give the information about the history of the geology. See, principle of correlation. What is correlation? See, this is the two areas here in which different layers are present. So in the two areas in which different layers are present, this layer form at different age. At the same time, here also same layer form at different places. See, this is the second plane, this is the first plane. So at the same time, different places different formation form, or either same formation form, or at the different time same formation form at one places. So we can study and concluded that which type of formation we from and which formation between two places are same formation at same age. That type of discovery is called as correlation. Generally, three type of rock present on the surface and form at the same time or different time. It may be seem extremely difficult. It is possible in many cases to correlate rock form at different places during same geological time, and also to establish relatively age of the rock form in the same region at different time. This process is called as correlation. See here, it is extremely difficult. It possible in many cases correlate rock form at different places at the same geological time, and also the established relatively age of the rock form in the same region at different time. So same age of the rock at same region different time, or either different rock form at the same time at different region also. Element of correlation. So these correlation we can correlate it by using elements. So elements are therefore called as units for correlating rock from at different places during the same time and different time in the same places. Defined system of time units or rock unit has been established. Adapted historical geology. See, these are the time unit: era, period, epoch and age. Another time units is also called as rock unit: group, system, series and stage. These era, period and epoch and ages define the particular layers on which particular timing different type of formations are formed. So we can time unit explanation used for a time representation for formation of different thing, and rock unit used for the indicating the rock formation. Rock unit time used for the indicating of the rock formation. See how what is these exactly in simple example. See, you are explaining about ourselves like way that my age is 30 and I am born in June at particular year. So we explaining that year of the age, whatever, then month of the month, and then date, and then our age. We are defining, or either we indicate the place. Similar way, Earth is formed 4.6 billion years ago. From that to up to 2020, different things has been changed. Mother rock also converted to another rock, and this rock remain formed at different places, or now it present in different places, or different animals, or different plants, or different animal also generated. So when it generated, what is the age of that time, what is the timing, everything is explained by using time unit and rock unit. So this correlation we will definitely studying in the geological time scale. So for this correlation, or for this time unit, or for this age of explanation of all these things, we use time unit and rock unit. So see, time unit in which era is a more prominent unit. It is comprised of several periods and each period is composed of epoch. Era, it is a time unit measured in terms of many hundred million years. There are four era: Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic, Pre-Archean. Each era has corresponding rock unit called as group. So, era define the different formation, and if you consider about the rock, then we era replaced by the name of group. Period. It is often referred as standard and fundamental unit of geological timescale, which is clearly understood and can be ascertained with the help of feature developed in the rock formation. Means this is a rock format particular, and which type of structure is developed will explained by the period. Rock thickness formed during period is given as name as system. So period replaced by in lithostratigraphy explanation by system. Then epoch, it is component division of the period unit and signify time frame indicated by local variation in the condition of formation of rock. Corresponding rock unit called as series, smallest rock unit called as stage. It is component division period unit and signify indicated local variation in the rock formation. See, basically this is the geological time scale which is explained E1, era, period, and here is another one point, epoch. See, E1 is the largest time unit, era is a component of E1, and a period is a component era, and period and epoch is a component of the period. This way geological time scale is given. In which E1 there are three major E1: Archean, Proterozoic, and Phanerozoic. In this E1, which what happened in this E1 means in 2020 month is April, like way we are explaining this. In Archean period of E1, late Archean, middle Archean, and early Archean eras are present, in which there is no life were present, only the solid masses were present. Then Proterozoic, late Proterozoic, middle Proterozoic, early Proterozoic era are present. And then Phanerozoic, this is the major year. Then Phanerozoic, which era is Paleozoic, Mesozoic, Cenozoic. Paleozoic divided into again period: Cambrian, Ordovician, Silurian, Devonian, Mississippian, Paleocene, and Permian. Mesozoic again divided into period: Triassic, Jurassic, Cretaceous. Cenozoic again divides into period: Tertiary and Quaternary. So see example, there is like a basalt. I found that basalt formed at 360 million years ago on the surface. By rock dating, I found that basalt age 360 million years ago. It means it's formed in Devonian, Mississippian, Devonian region, Devonian period, Paleozoic era, and Phanerozoic era. Like we be explaining the age of the rock, or either age of the any formation of the on earth surface. So geological timescale used to differentiate or define the age of the particular formation. See here, different thing form at different regions and different particular ages, particular time. So in simply way we call that basalt age is Devonian age. Like we are explaining the geological time scale. Thank you.